water.
Ceiling fan?
Yeah, he need a ceiling fan in his room. It'll be so hot.
It do be hot in there. Are you doing the scan and go?
Hey y'all, so I have a Costco and Sam's haul over here. I had to pick up my glasses from Costco. I tried them out and they were cheaper. Let's see. I guess I can show y'all my glasses. Let's see, hold on. All right, y'all. We should have left the lemon blueberry loaf there, but we got it. I got it today. It was like $9, oh no, $8.99. I had JJ with me, y'all, so I didn't carry all this. I wanted to get more fruits and vegetables in here. I watched this really good video where this lady, y'all probably hear me all the time about where I watched something, and then it had me thinking about maybe the plastics or the toxins or the fragrances or whatever. But it's a work in process. It's a work in process. So we trying to incorporate more fruits and vegetables, like more whole foods instead of the processed foods. And I think I told y'all in other videos that I'm trying to, if those videos go out, because I'm really debating, y'all, am I going to continue to do grocery hauls over here or not? So, but if I'm going to, meaning that I don't know if those videos will go out, so they probably will go out, but I've mentioned how I wanted to start baking bread, you know, from scratch, because this bread is just not molding like it used to. But you probably will hear that, or you might not hear it. Okay, I got some strawberries. I got some blueberries. I usually have blueberries like mixed with something, so this will be new for me, like in pancakes and yogurt, maybe cereal. Not really, but you get the point. So I want to use these, you know, some of these fruits as snacks and vegetables as snacks versus grabbing other things. I got some bananas, of course the blueberries. I got some raspberry. I do like raspberries, so this is no biggie for me. I'm more of a vegetable person. I got some street tacos today. They have tons of these. And then I got some red grapes. And then if y'all had the TV, don't mind that Jason's over there watching Reacher, vegging out. I got some chicken breasts. I got that today. And then I got some eggs, y'all. They were $6.71 each. $6.71 each. And they didn't have like brown eggs or anything. That's all they had today. I got some spring mix. You know what, y'all? I got this from Sam's. I didn't get this from Costco. So scratch that. This is from Sam's. And the Honey Crisp apples from Costco. And then I'll show my glasses at the end, the other pair, and then I'll show you Sam's. So starting over here, I got some spring mix. I got some, trying to make sure I got everything. I got some muffins, which I haven't gotten these in a while. These are the banana nut chocolate and the blueberry. Then I did get some chips, y'all, because they have bigger boxes, but we're trying to wean from these. These are usually our favorite. We will eat those, but the chili Fritos are better. But I've been liking these lately. And, yeah. Okay, continuing from Sam's, I got some trash bags because I got like a big mega pack or big pack from Aldi, and they're ripping coming out of the trash can. Only because we have that divider or recycle in a regular trash side by side, so it, you know, we kind of smush it down sometimes. So they've been ripping, so I've been meaning to get some anyway. So got those in the fresh clean scent. I got some bacon crumbles, which we haven't gotten in a long time. Probably shouldn't have because of the process. If you watch that video when I put it down below, you'll know what I'm talking about. But you know, it's a process. So we got some seasoned croutons. I haven't gotten these before. I wanted to get that. I want to like just have 2 meals a day and then have like a salad. So that's what I did yesterday, like a salad and some protein, and then don't eat the 12, stop eating at 8. And I felt so much better today. I haven't fully eaten today. And then we did go to the movies. This is a place in Cary called Fenton, and we saw the Captain America movie. JJ wanted to see that. He's home. So we went and saw that. And so I did get a cowboy burger, but I didn't feel like super weighted down. So that's what I'm going to start doing. And then walking 30 minutes till I get up to 2 miles. Yeah. Okay, I got the ground sirloin patties. Sometimes what we did in the past when we was on E2M, we would just like cook these like on a broiler pan or whatever, or in a skillet. This only has like 85% lean. Should have looked for 90. I don't think they have that in the patties. But anyway, really quick meal. Got some Hidden Valley ranch. I actually saw some ranch that was in the cold section. I said, I bet that's better. But anyway, I do like making my own, like the powder and stuff, but sometimes it's not as convenient. And we just ran out of this. We had this for a while. I haven't seen people talk about this just bare chicken, so I wanted to try it and see how it goes. And then I needed some baking soda. I needed this forever. Needed this for cleaning and other things. And then I got the blend. This was so much cheaper. It was like $4 and something versus $5 and something at Walmart. Some Italian seasoning, needed this. Some roasted garlic, making more chicken, so I needed that. E2M, someone mentioned this, the grilled chicken breast. I hope it's not dry. For easy, convenient meals or whatever. And then the A1 and 57, oh gosh, I hate to tell y'all how long, because I will eat some foods or some things way past the expiration date. But I needed some more A1 and 57, especially, which I don't think it hurts when you're trying to do low carb and stuff. Having salad, not salad dressing, well, salad dressing, but steak sauce. I did get some Olive Garden Italian. That was something that I probably had a little bit too long. I didn't see where they had light, but I did look at the contents of the ingredients and it wasn't too bad. Onion powder, this is something I always run out of, so I grabbed that. The Rios, it was hard for me not to get Prego, especially for the price, and you get 3 big bottles, but the Rios has less sugar in it, so I got that. The jelly, I knew it was cheaper to get this, and then Josiah takes peanut butter and jelly to school about every day, and Jason and those two love peanut butter and jelly. We were out of the Sweet Baby Ray's, and I think that's it, y'all. I didn't worry about paper towels because we have paper towels already right now. So that's it for this haul, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, y'all, so this was the first time that I have gotten glasses at Costco, and I absolutely love their optometrician that they had. We went on the outside of the store and got that done. We'll definitely go back to him. We had to go, of course, inside to get frames, and I love the ones that I picked out. They're a little bit too blingy. Now think about it. I'm wearing these right here, right now, but it was like about $260 something for both of my glasses. I'm used to getting 2 from America's Best, so I just got 2. I'm not really big on if I have to get certain name brands. I just get what I like now. But I just was a little disappointed because Jason has astigmatism. I think that's what it's called. And they couldn't get his lenses, so he had to end up going to Walmart. But we did love their optometrician. He was amazing. So I would definitely be going back to Costco to get my frames.
The opening rounds of the NCAA tournament. Head coach Wes Moore's
Then, y'all, on this day, we went to this area in Cary, North Carolina called Fenton. And I really like their theater. It's small and they have these recliner seats, and their food is really good here too. But this area, Jason and I came here on our anniversary, and they have Williams-Sonoma and Pottery Barn and another store that's really expensive. But they have Sephora over here, and some people live over here. I think a Nike store, quite many things over here, and it's just really, really nice. So check out Fenton, y'all. If you're in the area, you won't be disappointed. So JJ wanted to see Captain America, and we wanted to do a couple of more things, y'all, but we just didn't get out the house to do it. We wanted to go to the putt-putt place. They have like an indoor golf place, and they can do arcades and stuff, but we'll just save it for the summertime. But Josiah wanted to play this game. So Mama got it for him, paid for it for him, and it's just so pretty out here at night and stuff. But we were on our way home. We were actually tired this day. It was like on a Thursday. It was on a Thursday. So pretty out here. I would love to come out here on the weekend, but not too busy.
I thought about getting the cowboy barber.
This day, y'all, I think it was Saturday, and I just got in the wind right by myself. I cleaned my car. I didn't get to do that before my surgery, and I'm not finished with those vlogs, y'all. But I got in the wind. I cleaned my car. I wasn't hurting afterwards. I vacuumed it out. I finally used my gift card that my brother gave me for Christmas, and I went to TJ Maxx, and I've been eyeing these bracelets on Lemonade. So follow me, y'all, over there on Lemonade. I'm sharing like some purse stuff, some girly stuff. I don't know if I'm putting it on TikTok yet. Maybe on my planners and purses, but I'm on Lemonade. It should be down below. But I love these Rachel Zoe earrings and everything. So I got to use that gift card. I'm loving this song, y'all, by Maverick City, Firm Foundation. I've been playing it repeat since I had the women's conference that I went to at church. And then, y'all, I just have things like this all the time and don't use it. And the Lord has really been laying on my heart, hope, use what you have. And sometimes I go in the store and I don't even really need anything. So I just did a little treatment for myself and used my hand mask, because I was about to buy another one of these from Dollar Tree, and I was like, no, you're not until you use what you have. And so that was my goal last year. Now I wasn't successful, but this year that's what I'm gonna do, especially to enjoy what I have, and also, yeah, just enjoy what I have, so I can do like this low spin, which I probably talked to you guys probably about it at the end. But yeah, I really like the little hand mask. I got that around Christmas time. And here, y'all, we are taking JJ back to school. A couple of days ago, you probably remember, was it Sunday or Saturday and Sunday, the storms came across a lot of different states, and it was raining cats and dogs all day. But by God's grace, traveling mercy, we got him back to school. We love to go to this McDonald's. I know, y'all. But this McDonald's, the food is always hot. The fries is always hot. And it's always A+. They're so good that I think I'm going to do a review on them. And it's right near the campus. So here's JJ leaving, going back for spring break. And then, y'all, this is something that I started doing. I love... I'm reading Clever Finance Girl. I love her content, but I also like the aesthetic of everything that the girl from the woman from Baddies and Budget. So I've been eyeing her for a while. I found her on TikTok, and this is just something I want to do. Well, the Lord has been getting on me about to be a better steward of finances. My husband, he does a good job, but I need to do better and pay some things off, and just that's one of the things the Lord wants me to do. So that's what I'm doing. And then here is Crystal Evans, her sister circle. I was doing this on Monday, and this is another thing, to eat healthier. That's what the Lord is laying on my heart to do. So y'all, thanks so much for watching. That was just a little day in the life, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.